even do some little expansion of that road, they have an objection. I fully respect NGOs, but objection for what? We are not selling this to any Dillikar. It will remain with us. That is the point. So some area over there is required for parking. Tomorrow some president of some country will come to Goa on a holiday. He will come to see this part of the jail. He will come to see this Fort Aguada. We have to restore it and keep. It has to look beautiful. अशें म्हाका उगडास येता 2007 पैसे येयल्ले आमचे बागा ब्युटिफिकेशन करपाक फ्रॉम सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. ते आमी मोडल्यार 2013 2012 एमएलए हांव जालो आनी 2013 काम स्टार्ट केलें. सो अशें जावंक पारना की पयशे येता आनी ते स्टेट ट्रेजरीन उरता आनी दुसऱ्या कामाक यूज जाता आनी जे खरे कामाक जे पयशे येयल्ले ते थिंगाच उरता. दॅट इज वाय वी आर डुईंग पिरियडिकल इन्स्पेक्शन to see that the money which is come from the center is being used for that purpose and a utilization certificate goes over there at the center so that we can get money for the next project. We have filed cases in the court. In the larger public interest, they have to also think when this type of work goes on, some area is required for parking outside, which they are saying we have done hill cutting. We have not done any hill cutting for any construction. आमी तिका कंस्ट्रक्शन करिना. वी विल डू पिचिंग वर्क ऑन द हिल विथ रबल मोटे लोबरां हाडून पिचिंग वर्क करतले आमी आनी ती हिल आनी कोलॅप्स जावंक पारना म्हणून ती आमी प्रोटेक्ट करतले. पूण तितली एरिया थिंगासर जायच जो तर येदो व्हडलो जागो आमी पब्लीक युजाक दितले. एंड दॅट ऑल्सो इज अ प्रायड फॉर द पीपल ऑफ कांदोलीम दॅट द जेल which was built in those years in Portuguese era is being restored for the generation next. फुडल्या जनरेशनाक ती जेल रेस्टोर करून दवरता आमी. ती कोणाक एवरीथिंग इज showcased properly, sound and light show, whatever needs to be done beyond that, entertainment for the people who are visiting this. Ticket entry will be there for each and every person who is entering over here inside. So this will be one of its kind. आमच्या हातीनूच उरोन आमी पळयता चडशी वस्तू अंडर PPP भायर वयता, पब्लीक प्रायवेट पार्टनरशीप. हिंगासर अशें ना. हिंगा गव्हर्मेंट आपूणच पयशे मोडटा. वी विल डू एवरीथिंग एंड ओनली साउंड एंड लायट शो विल बी गिवन आउट.
How long will that take?
No, we'll start talking. We'll have to bring him here to show this. I was waiting for this gallery to be ready. So one gallery is ready today. So अशे खूब आनी galleries आहा. The main freedom struggle will be in the main jail that is on top. These are all meant for display of old artifacts which different people are holding in Goa today. Already given. These funds are credited in the account of Goa government, 25 crores. Goa government has to pay the contractor. So funds आमकां Delhiसून हाडपाचें आनी गरज ना. Funds येयल्ले आहा.
When will the museum start?
See, once this work is ready, we will start talking to people who are ready to give us the artifacts. And if Nandan agrees to give his kalis over here, we can do something in the name of his father, because his father's collection was also there. The main civil work which will be completed. Then after that, I think collection of all these artifacts, whatever artifacts were here, restoration तेजे काम already start जाल्लें आहा. So that will be cannons and all those other old things will be put outside. The main fort wall as a काम ते साइडीन चालू जाल्लें आहा. The outer fort wall. So ते काम बरें कठीण आहा, इजी ना तेका 1-1.5-2 म्हयने लागतले ते आख्खें काम जाता म्हणून. तेजे खातीर ते स्पेशलायज गोवणे जे आहा ते हाडलेले आहा. आनीकूय येवपाचे आहा जे कोण किल्ल्यांची कामां करता, आदले घरांची कामां करता फोर्ट्स रेस्टोरेशनाचें काम करता तांकां आपयल्लें आहा. The generation next to know that this fort was built in around 600-700 years back, and this jail was built also 400-500 years back, and it is being restored for the generation next to see. So at least that this exhibition hall will be there for the next generation to see. आमी हे काडून खंयच्या हॉटेलाक दिवंक ना. I had objected at that particular time that this part of the jail should not, this entire jail area should not be given to any hotel on lease. So they would build some rooms and only tourists would come to stay, and it would not remain with the people of Kandoli. आणि काम स्टार्ट झाले तेन्ना म्हाज्या हिसपान 1-2 महिने डिले जावंक शकता. डिसेंबर जे आमी म्हटल्यार ते फेब्रुवारी जातले, बट वर्क इज इन गूड पेस. म्हणजे हे बरें आहा, स्पीड बरी आहा कामाची आनी क्वॉलिटी बरी आहा.
There is in High Court will get resolved very quickly for the benefit. We are not going to see, we'll see that nothing is damaged. We'll see that more plants are planted with the help of our Minister Michael Lobo. We'll see that more plants are planted and it will give the same greener effect. But we require parking, it is the necessity. If you have such a big beautiful museum, we require parking, and let us start and all of us work together. Thank you.